If your printer is showing a status of offline, you can change to online using these steps here. First, click on Windows I on your keyboard. And then on the left hand side, you'll be clicking on Bluetooth and devices. And on the right hand side, you'll be clicking on printer and scanners. And this is the printer I'm working on today. It's showing as offline. Click on the printer that's offline. Next, you'll be clicking on printer properties. And you'll be clicking on ports tab. Select your printer, which is normally a network printer, this guy here. And then once you select to highlight that printer, click on config port. And then remove this check mark from SNMP status enable and click OK and close it. Now you need to restart your computer. I'll be right back as soon as my computer restarts. Now you launch your Windows setting again by holding Windows I. And then click on Bluetooth and devices. Click on printer scanner and you can see your printer is online now.